Welcome back. So this one still makes me laugh. I heard this chap coming in. I heard him come down the road. He was coming really fast, but I wasn't really prepared for what's about to happen to me next. I hope you enjoy it. It's midlife crisis 101 next. Yet again. I'm soaked. There's Tom. So this old sausage comes flying into the shop and he decides that the road doesn't apply to him anymore, and he gets it really, really wrong. I think he's been on the disco biscuits.
Oh dear.
Yeah, he definitely had one too many disco biscuits.
You're right.
Check him out.
Just caught the. It's just put one off its clips. Wing. Steaming a bit now.
Yeah, it turns out the road goes left.
Yes!
Who knew? That was unlucky, wasn't it?
It was very unlucky.
If you stand on a bridge next to a ford, you've got lorries coming through, that's what's going to happen to you. Play silly games, win silly prizes, they rip their under tray off. For some reason, Tesla's always managed to rip the number plates off on here. I don't know if it's because it's just stuck on and the flow of the water that then throws it off. Who knows? This next one though, yes, maybe it was time to hang up the spurs. It might be a bit cruel. Check out the punishment to this clutch. You know, I actually think that was clutch smoke coming off of there, maybe a bit of steam as well. Felt really bad for this chap. He was such a nice guy, but he still managed to rip off the under tray on his engine, even in such short depth of water. Let's have a look. The amount of number plates we collected, we actually made a little collection pile of them on the side of the road. Just go through slow, you'll make it fine. Send it, and this'll happen. honestly, yeah, we deserve the next one. Weren't expecting it. We thought they were just going to send it through or just go through slowly and all was going to be good. But no, we got drenched. Check this one out. Now, how these next two made it through, I've got no idea. Most cars would fail at this, but these two, luck was on their side. It's a Tesla, you know that number plate's coming off. So the kids on the bridge got soaked, and this is the pile of shame for the number plates. So you're an international fast bowler cricketer for the New Zealand team. You're scheduled to go and have a round of golf with your mates. You borrow someone's car from another team. One of your mates' cars to go and play golf with. And then you do this to it.
Push him.
It's not mine.
It's not yours. Whose is it?
At the clubs.
Oh.
Why do you go through the floor in that?
So the chimney goes past. It didn't take long for this guy to decide that shoes and socks off were the only answer, and he was going to get wet feet.
Oh, we got one there. We can drag him out. I'm just waiting for him to get the towing eye on it.
Oh, okay, nice.
I always said he's gonna be so mad.
He's gonna be so angry.
Just put I made a mistake.
I've made a and the car is now stuck. Yeah, sorry, I'm ready for that.
You go. Andrew's here as well, yeah?
enjoyed watching that one, thank you for watching that one, and we'll see you on the next.